Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. By the way, if you have questions, feel free to give the store a call. The product in this video will have a link at the bottom of this YouTube video so you can check pricing and stuff. So come on over here. What do we have here? Well, we got a Chevy 2500 here with a 8-foot bed. So you got this super long bed. Look how long this bed is. It goes on forever. It's a one long bed. And we got the Bak Revolver X4S, which is the latest model. Now, one thing you'll notice before I start opening it and how it works, it's a flush. It sits right there in the middle of the bed. It is a really good looking cover. If you notice here, we've done a lot of work to this gentleman's truck, and this is another thing we've done for him. And basically you got metal, and then it's got a nice little marine grade vinyl on top of it. So you look how tight the tailgate is here. It's got a super tight fit. That being said, let's go ahead and open her up here. Now, this does have a left and right release mechanism. So if I'm the driver's side or on the passenger side, I can open it up. I pull this down here. If you look over here, this is a very large seal here. I don't know if you can see that. And that's gonna sit right here on the tailgate. So it's gonna do a good job keeping the water out. Now, as you can see, it's got a little rain going on now, but again, you get something like this, you don't expect too much water, and it's pretty good at water and weather resistant. Now, a lot of people like the rolling covers for the 8-foot bed. Why? Well, it's a little easier than folding. So you get all the way down here, you got a little strap here, this comes around here, this will lock it in place. And then where this is secured, if you notice, you got pretty much full access to the bed. It does not cover up your rear view mirror, it doesn't cover up your third brake light where a lot of cameras are in. A lot of people like that. I mean, again, you don't really give up any space whatsoever. Now, if you look over here, let me show you how the locking mechanism looks. I don't know if you can see this. Now, a lot of covers, like the phone covers, have locks every 3 or 4 spots. This one has one long lock. That means the whole thing is secure. So if you look here, you can see where they lock into these little grooves over here. And basically it rolls down here. And let's show you how quickly it is. And again, this is why a lot of people like this. It comes down here, and then when you get down here, you want to go ahead and push it down the middle. As you can see, it locks in here. And when it goes down here, you pull this back up. Let's see if you can see it. See, here's your locking mechanism. So once this goes in here, it starts locking these. You can get a really good idea how that works. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. It's more secure, and that's the main thing. Now, if you look over here on here, there's a little piece of rubber here. Why is that here? Well, that's where your hand's going to go. This way, if these things get a little hot, it won't affect your when you open and close it, because Florida sun or wherever you live, these things can get a little hot. Now, this is the latest model, so they changed this from silver to black. They changed the hardware from silver to black, so it just looks a little better cosmetically. Again, it's nice and easy to use. See that? Nice and tight. It's a great cover. It is a good option for you. Again, we can ship this anywhere in the country. So if you don't live here in Florida, we can send it to you. Or you can come to our store like this customer did, and we can install it for you. If we do the install, we're going to give you 1 year on the labor. Now, the manufacturer gives you 5 years on the cover. There's a promotion going on now. It's double the warranty from 5 to 10. That's right. If we put it in for you, the warranty gets double. So that's a really great feature. And again, we can ship it anywhere from California, Texas, Puerto Rico, New York. If you want this cover, we can get it for you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from, well, it's not sunny Florida, but it's raining Florida. And I'm doing a review on the Revolver X4S by Bak Industries. And this is on a Chevy Silverado 2500 with the 8-foot bed. Thank you.